100 years ago, daily life was inherently active, with people walking, farming, and working with their hands, leading to far better physical shape than many of us are in today. Today, most of us spend countless hours sitting at desks, in cars, or in front of screens, despite our bodies being built for constant movement. Our ancestors didn't need step counters. Survival was their workout. But now, we must deliberately create opportunities for movement, or our health pays the price. Research indicates that physical inactivity poses health risks comparable to smoking, increasing the risk of heart disease, diabetes, obesity, depression, and certain cancers. Prolonged sitting also contributes to vitamin D deficiency from lack of sunlight and can lead to loneliness and anxiety due to reduced face-to-face interaction. The World Health Organization recommends at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity activity per week, which is just 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week. Many experts also suggest aiming for 7,000 to 10,000 steps daily as a simple, realistic way to measure activity. The popular 10,000 steps per day concept originated in Japan in the 1960s as a marketing strategy, not a scientific mandate. Newer studies show that 7,000 to 8,000 steps daily can provide substantial health benefits, especially for adults over 40. Even small bursts of activity, like standing up every 30 minutes, walking during calls, or doing light stretches, can significantly reduce health risks. You don't need to run marathons or spend hours at the gym. You just need to break free from the couch. Watching TV or endlessly scrolling trains the brain to be passive, keeps the body locked in one position, and blue light from screens disrupts sleep cycles. Compare this to getting outside for a walk. Blood pumps, sun touches your skin, your mind clears, and your mood lifts. Think about how you feel after binge watching for 3 hours. Sluggish, stiff, drained. Now, how do you feel after a 20-minute walk in the park? Your body knows the difference instantly. Humans evolved to walk miles daily, hunting, gathering, and exploring. Our bodies still expect this level of activity. Muscles, joints, and the cardiovascular system only stay healthy when we use them. When we don't, muscles weaken, balance fades, metabolism slows, and memory declines. Just like a car that sits in the garage rusts, a body that sits on the couch does the same. To incorporate more activity, try walking instead of driving short distances, taking stairs instead of elevators, or setting a timer to stand up every 30 minutes. You can also do light stretches while watching TV or schedule social activities outdoors, like hikes or walks with friends. Our ancestors moved out of necessity. Today, we must choose to move. The rewards are significant: increased energy, improved mood, a stronger body, and a healthier, longer life. Don't wait for tomorrow. Get up, get outside, and give your body the movement it was built for.